We're so glad you are considering StoneHouse foundation repair for your foundation needs. This quick video will walk you through exactly what to expect during the inspection process, from the moment we arrive to the time you receive your estimate. At StoneHouse, our goal is not to just fix your foundation, but to eliminate any issues that could lead to more problems down the road, even after the repairs are complete. We look at the source of the problem too. All the details matter, because they help tell us the full story of your foundation issues. We don't believe in slapping a quick band-aid on your home. We address what's really going on. On the day of your appointment, your foundation expert will call or text to let you know they're on their way. They'll arrive promptly at your scheduled time, greet you at your door, and walk you through how the inspection will work before getting started. We begin outside examining and documenting the condition of your home's exterior. We look for things like drainage issues, pooling water, soil erosion, expansion joint separation, large cracks in the slab, tree root intrusion, and cracks in brick and mortar, all of which can point to foundation movement or contribute to it over time. Next, we move inside. We begin by taking photos of all cosmetic issues. Cracked tiles, walls, and ceilings are all signs of foundation movement. Then we bring out our zip level, a precision tool for measuring your home's elevation. We start by taking a reference point, either in the center of your home or about 8 to 10 feet from the front door. On your foundation diagram, this is marked with an R. All other measurements are compared back to this point, giving us a clear picture of what's going on with your foundation. To get accurate readings, it's important that the inspector has access to the floors in all ground level rooms. This allows us to take proper measurements in every part of your home and identify exactly where settlement or heaving has occurred. The inspector will now document measurements throughout your home. Once all measurements, notes, and photos are collected, your inspector will create a detailed repair proposal and foundation diagram. This process usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes and is done using our specialized software. We'll then go over the plan with you, explaining what we found, why it's important, and how we recommend addressing it. Our goal is to make sure you feel fully informed, whether you choose to work with us or not. All of our work is covered by our lifetime transferable warranty. To give you even more peace of mind, we are also backed by a third-party $25,000 guarantee, so you can hire us and know you are in good hands. We also offer flexible financing options that make repairing your home's foundation easy and affordable. Thank you again for choosing StoneHouse Foundation Repair. We look forward to providing you with our 5-star service and helping you protect your home for years to come.